Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at the Reports tab in Simplebooklet. This is where you can track how people interact with your content and get real insights into your audience's behavior. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard, and we're going to click the Reports tab for the booklet that we want to track. Every time someone views your Simplebooklet, data is automatically collected in real time. Things like opens, page views, engagement, and clicks. The Reports tab organizes all of this info into easy-to-read reports so you can measure performance, see what's working, and improve your content. This helps you understand your audience, where they're coming from, which pages grab their attention, and what actions they take while viewing your booklet. Each report focuses on a different part of your reader's interaction. Let's go through the main ones you'll find here. And before we go into each report, we do have a date range customizer here. So you can decide what dates you want to see for your reports, whether it's you want to check how your booklet did last month, the last week, yesterday, or you can also pick a custom date range as well. So for mine, I'm going to take a look at how my booklet performed for the past year and a bit. So once you do that, you can go ahead and just click the apply button. So by default, we have the opens report opened up. And this shows when, where, and how often your booklet is opened. Then we have page views and time. This reveals which pages get the most attention and how long readers spend on them. We have our nav bars and actions. This tracks which buttons, links, or hotspots your readers click. And then we have referrals. This tells you where your traffic is coming from, like social media, email, or a website. And then we have our contact form. So this displays viewer submissions from the contact section in your nav bar. And then we have our lead gate report, which displays captured lead info like names and emails. And then we have our passwords report. This tracks who accessed your password protected booklets. Our forms report. This shows responses from any embedded forms that you've added. And then we have our verified emails report. This lets you see who's opening your booklets consistently and engaging the most. And then we also have our followers report. You can see who is currently following your booklet. And then we also have a Google Analytics section. And this gives you even deeper insights into audience demographics and activity. Each of these reports can be opened individually for detailed stats, graphs, and data exports. And if you'd like to dive deeper into any specific report, we've created individual tutorials and help articles for each one. These reports aren't just numbers. They tell the story of how your content performs. By studying your reports, you can identify what's connecting with your audience and what might need adjusting. Use that info to refine your layout, calls to action, or even how you promote your booklets. The Reports tab ties into every stage of the reader's journey. It shows you who's discovering your booklet in the awareness stage, what they're engaging with during the attention and immersion stages, and who's taking action by filling out forms or clicking links. By using these insights, you can fine-tune your strategy and build a stronger connection with your readers. And that's the Reports tab, your go-to place for understanding what's really happening behind the scenes of your Simplebooklet. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.